In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a group in the Bible app. By the end, you will have a shared Bible reading plan where you and your friends can read and discuss together inside the app. First, open the Bible app. When it loads, you should see the main screen with options along the bottom, like Home, Read, Plans, and more. Make sure you are signed into your account so the group plan can sync across your devices. Now, tap Plans at the bottom. This takes you to the Plans area, where you can see featured plans, categories, and sometimes your current or saved plans. Think of this section as the library of reading plans you can do on your own or with friends. Next up, choose a Bible plan you want to do. You can scroll through the suggestions or tap into categories like topics or length. When you open a plan, you will usually see the title, a short description, the number of days, and sometimes a sample of the daily readings. Take a moment to check the number of days so you pick something that fits the schedule you and your friends can follow. Once you have found the one you like, tap Start Plan. This button is usually near the bottom of the plan page. As soon as you tap it, the app begins walking you through how you want to start it. If you ever tap the wrong plan, you can back out before finishing these next options. From here, select With Friends. This is the key choice that turns a solo reading plan into a shared group experience. When you choose With Friends, the app creates a private space tied to this plan, where you and your friends will see each day, track each person's progress, and use the discussion section under each day. After that, choose a start date. The app will usually highlight today by default, but you can tap another day on the calendar if you want to start later. Picking a future date can help if you are giving your friends time to accept the invite. Everyone in the group will see the same start date and schedule for that plan. With the date set, invite your friends. The app will show ways to share the plan, such as sending it through your contacts or copying an invite link to paste into a message. When they open your invite, they will be added to this specific plan group, not to a general chat. A common beginner mistake is thinking they can add someone after the plan ends, but invites only bring people into this active plan. Finally, tap Start Plan. When you do this, the group Bible plan is officially created, and day one is scheduled based on the date you chose. Everyone who joins will see the same reading list, and a discussion section appears under each day where you can leave comments and reply. You have now created a group Bible reading plan in the YouVersion Bible app and set it up so your friends can read and discuss together. If this helped you get your group plan going, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Bible app tips.